Today I'm going to go through a level design prototype I made in Unreal Engine 5 called Killswitch. So the player starts off, and this is the first shop that they encounter, not only to teach them what shops look like, but to give them a safe place to interact with it. Going into the main area, the black, which is a stand-in for a conveyor belt, leads them to their main objective, the kill switch, which they need a red key, a blue key, and a green key. So the player heads over to the area where they'll get the green key first. Again, using the black conveyor belts and the pink enemies as a bit of a way to lead the player around the environment. I wanted to utilize some high ground to not only give the player a bit of a better vantage point, but to have them have a safe place to go if the enemies start to overwhelm them. But if they follow the conveyor belt back down, they find the green key shop in disrepair, which they will need to repair before they can get their green key. Once they get the green key, they can head back out to the main area, where then they will be led to another general shop. Here they'll be able to buy towers to put down, or maybe upgrade their primary weapon. Different options from different shops. The conveyor belt will then lead them to the red area, which I created kind of as a office space, or like a lecture hall, if you will. Again, conveyor belt leading them to the shop, which they'll need to repair as they fight off hordes of enemies. Going back out. Lastly, the player will need to get the blue key before they can fully unlock the kill switch and progress to the next level. Once again, the conveyor belt leading them to their next location. Any of these can be done in any order, but this player just decided to go green, red, blue. There's no one set path to get the colored keys. As I'm sure you're able to tell, this is only a demonstrational prototype, and the only function that's involved is the player's movement. I really wanted to just build this out to showcase some level design for a project I might work on in the future. But now that the player has all three keys, they would come back to the kill switch, the walls would fall, and they would be able to activate it and go to the next level.